friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kuromi as a mummy inside of a pumpkin. So first we're going to get started with our hands. So on the left hand side here, we're going to curve this line around and then in, joining that together. We're going to leave a gap now coming over on the right and replicating that. So we're going to curve this line around and then back in. And then now let's draw the sideways oval for the head. So on the bottom, we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. On the left hand side now, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the top. And then we're going to move over on the right hand side, replicating that, curving this line around and then back in. Let's draw in the details on the head now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and down. Let's move up now, leaving a gap, and we're going to curve this line over and up. And then again, one more time, just curving this line over and across. Moving underneath now to the right, we're going to arch this line over and across. We'll move up, arching this line up. And then again, one more time, just curving this line over. Moving underneath now, we're going to curve this line across again towards the side. And then on the right hand side, we're just going to curve this line down towards our right hand. For the nose now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then underneath that, we're going to draw in an arch line, connecting that together. Let's draw in the right eye now. So underneath the wrapping here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. From this corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. We'll draw in a diagonal line that comes out and then in. And then again, one more time, bringing that up to close off the eye. Let's move over on the left now, lining this up at the same height. We're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the left. And now from this point, we're going to curve this line around and then back up again. Let's draw in the ears now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. On the side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. On the top corner now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that line on the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. And now from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line in towards the side of the head. Let's draw in more of the wrapping pattern now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line up. Underneath, we're going to curve this line over. Moving up in the middle, we're going to bring this line across. Again, on the bottom, we're just going to curve this line over again. On the top now, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come over. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. Moving down, let's replicate that, curving that out again, ending that at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. Over on the right now, we're going to curve this line down. Stepping further down, we're going to curve this line across towards the corner. On the inside, we're going to bring this line down. Moving up, we're going to bring this line across. And then again, one more time as we move up. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, drawing in a diagonal line that comes through. Now that we've drawn in the head, let's draw in the rest of the pumpkin. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve two lines that come down. Let's leave quite a big gap now coming underneath. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right for the bottom of the pumpkin. On the right hand side, underneath our hand, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll replicate this over on the left hand side as well. Now let's move further out. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in on both sides. And then now let's draw in the face of the pumpkin. So we're going to draw in a triangle on the left. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small triangle for the nose. And then moving over on the right hand side, we're going to draw in another triangle for our right eye. Now let's draw in the mouth. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. We'll do the same thing on the right. From this point, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the middle. Again, bringing that back down on both sides. Again, we'll bring this up towards the center. And then again, we're just going to draw in the letter V on the left. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes down, creating this zigzag pattern as we come all the way over towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi as a mummy inside of a pumpkin. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.